While carpets may look clean immediately after bonnet or rotary cleaning, alkaline detergent residue can linger in the fibers. Eliminate that issue with Rinse Away Plus, Carpet Rinse and Residue Neutralizer. This highly concentrated, mild organic acid rinse safely neutralizes and removes that residue and prevents browning. Also works well on yellowing or water spots. The low foaming surfactants keep you moving by eliminating recovery tank foam buildup, saving time and labor costs. Rinse Away Plus is safe for all colorfast carpet dyes and will result in your facility's carpets becoming amazingly clean and staying clean longer.